what's up everybody, I'm just jumping on for a quick video. I'm just going to be installing a monitor arm to my desk for the monitor to get it lifted a bit. So what I'm going to do is just going to do a quick unboxing. I'll show you the before and after and quick time lapse of the setup. What else here? Oh, I also got a desk mat, so that's kind of I'm enjoying that as well. I think I'm going to invest in some different color desk mats as well. But yeah, let me just show you what's happening here.